Hi and welcome back to Liana's kitchen. In this video I'm making a butternut squash and sweet potato soup in a Ninja soup maker, but it can of course be made in any soup maker. I am using onion and garlic, butternut squash, sweet potato, ground cumin and smoked paprika, ground black pepper and some vegetable stock. So let's start by preparing the ingredients. I don't usually peel the sweet potato, I just give them a really good wash and then chop them up, but you can of course peel them if you prefer to. I'm using around 700 grams in total for both the butternut squash and the sweet potato, so that's roughly 350 grams of each, but this doesn't have to be exact, it just depends what you have. You could also use frozen ingredients if you don't fancy all the chopping up. So next, peel the onion and quarter it, and then add it to the Ninja along with the peeled garlic cloves. Put the lid on and press the chop function. Next, add the prepared vegetables as well as the spices, and finally add the stock. I've used around 850 millilitres of vegetable stock, which takes it all the way up to the maximum line on the outside of the jug. Now put the lid on the soup maker and choose the smooth soup setting, which will run for 30 minutes. But before we check on the final results, did you know you can also find this recipe on my blog Liana's Kitchen? Although the recipe is written in the description down below, you can also print it off directly from my website. I also have lots more recipes in my soup maker recipe book, which is available to buy on Amazon. The link is in the description down below. Once a soup maker has finished its cycle, carefully remove the lid. Check the consistency, and if it's too thick you can add some extra stock or hot water and give it a quick blend to mix it in. And that's it, a really tasty butternut squash and sweet potato soup for the soup maker. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you end up making it, please do let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.